I would like to talk about this gentleman who is a 99-year-old individual who had his hip replacement surgery done with us about 6 weeks ago. He's just turned 100 today.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ನಾನು ವಯಸ್ಸು 99 ವರ್ಷ ತುಂಬಿದೆ. ಯಲಹಂಕದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ 2014ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬಿದ್ದು ಬಲಗಾಲು ಹಿಪ್ಪು ಮೂಳೆ ಮುರಿದೋಯ್ತು. ಇದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳಿದರು ಇಂಥ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗು ಅಂತಂದು.
Now, what I would like to highlight in this gentleman is the fact that even though he's 99 years and he sustained a fracture and we did a hip replacement on him and he's back to his normal working self within 6 weeks.
ಈಗ ವಿತೌಟ್ ವಾಕರು, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಈ ವಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಈಗೇನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ವಿಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ, ಅವರು ಚೇತರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಂಥವ್ರಿಗೂ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾರಲಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವಿಷ್ಟು ವಯಸ್ಸಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೆದರ್ತೀವಿ, ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಹೆದರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆದರಬೇಡ್ದು. ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ 99 ವರ್ಷದವ್ರು ಸಹಿತ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅವರು ನಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಹೆದರಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಚೇತನ್ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಯಿತು ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಂದರು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
He had a fracture of his left hip 6 weeks ago which we have operated, and day 1 post surgery we have been able to make him walk. Now as you can see today how he is able to mobilize without support at 6 weeks post surgery.
ಚೇತನ್ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಎಂಬ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಅವರು ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಮೂಳೆ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ 2014ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಸಲೀಸಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವತ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಇದ್ದೆ. ನನಗೇನು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಂದರೆನೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋವು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
He had a fracture of his right hip 5-6 years ago, and he was 94 then. But many people at that age would think that, am I too old to undergo a surgery? The patients have their own set of fears, the hospitals have their concerns, the doctors have their concerns. Will the patient withstand surgery? But look, we did a hip replacement surgery on his right hip about 5-6 years ago, and the patient was able to get back to his normal lifestyle. He was walking about 30-40 minutes every day, back to everything he does. He is a keen reader and he does his morning walks regularly and living an almost independent life without any dependency on anyone whatsoever. Now that is the reason why you need to get these hip surgeries done when the fractures prevent you from walking. So let it be a fracture, let it be arthritis, when things push you to a corner that you are not able to walk because of these joint related problems, I don't think age should be a limiting factor. The reason to get these replacement surgeries is to give you a better quality of life. Here is an individual who's been walking perfectly well for the last 5-6 years because of his right hip surgery. Unfortunately for him, he tripped over something, had a fall and his left hip, but then within a month and a half, we are able to put him back on his feet again, and we hope that he continues living a healthy life for many more years to come.
ನನಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಚೇತನ್ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಬೇರೆಯವರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸಾರಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಸಾಗರ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರು. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲು ಅವರು ಹಿಂದಿನದೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡಿ, ಹೌದು ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರು. ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ 2-3 ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹುಷಾರಾದೆ.
The challenges we had was because of his age. Number one, the anesthetic concerns, but then having an excellent anesthetic team at our hospital, we are able to make sure that the surgeries are very safe. The second challenge is osteoporosis. With this age, the bones are pretty weak, so we had to be careful that we don't do any further damage. We had to choose the right kind of implant so that the outcomes are best, and with good surgical techniques, with the right choice of implants, with a good anesthetic support and effective physiotherapy post-operatively, we have been able to put him back on his feet, not once but twice, once at the age of 94, 95 and now at the age of 99. I would use this opportunity to remove the fear in many people who feel that, oh, I'm already 70 years, do I need to go through a surgery? Replacement surgery is to make sure that you have a good quality of life. If this gentleman had not had his hip replacement surgery 5-6 years ago, he would not have been as happy as he is today, because he's been regularly walking over the last 5-6 years. So please remove your fears. There's nothing to worry if we take enough precautions. As I said once again, proper anesthetic care, good surgical techniques, proper choice of implants, effective physiotherapy post-operatively, I think patients can be put back on their feet at the earliest, and they can be enabled to have a very active lifestyle.
ಇವರಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು 99 ನೆನ್ನೆಗೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರ ಬರ್ಡೇನ. ಅವರು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು 100 ವರ್ಷ ಬದುಕಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಆಶಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸಾಗರ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್, ಚೇತನ್ ನಾಗರಾಜ್.